No. Hello, Mr. Dennis. It's Mr. Roach. How are you? Good, good. Listen, I've got a slight problem. In fact, it's a very big problem. I've run out of toilet roll.
Oh, Mr. Roach, disaster.
Is there any chance you could possibly throw on my way?
Okay, I'll see if I can find you one now.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Dennis. That's brilliant. That's brilliant.
All right, bye.
Bleeding by the metal all time of path. Rinnig bässen är with a dear father teach of men. Du breit med köfjanten. A beyond reading there is a smart hope and try. Maybe need a veunir den der vergünstig.
I've got toilet roll! Woohoo!